brainstorm some quick ways that if somebody's like, yeah, I would love to do that, but gosh, I need to put food on my table yesterday.
Right.
What are some things that if you were, go back to when you were in that position, what did you do? Is that something that folks could do today? Or what are some other things that come to mind kind of quickly?
Yeah, that's a really good question because, of course, you asked, what did I do? I'm thinking, well, I went to garage sales and I found things and I
You
resold
did.
them. And, we have a bunch of things in our entry actually that are waiting to work their way to be
Right.
donated somewhere.
Right.
And there's no place that's going to take them right now. So
Right.
that's not really the
Mm.
same. The opportunities are different.
Yeah.
And I think you nailed it in just that there is still lots of opportunity out there and we want to bring hope. And one of the things that, Ryan, I know you love to do this, we love to do this together, is brainstorm and
Mm-hmm.
figure out, okay, this is not a stop to things, it means pivot. And so what does that
Right.
look like? And so things that for quick money right now, there's still there's still needs. So that really looking at what is
Sure.
needed right now, and
Right.
then how can I fill it? So what are
Mm-hmm.
the needs? I think one thing you mentioned right before we got on the call was like mowing lawns.
Mm-hmm.
It's sunny here in Northwest, and so I can hear lawnmowers all day, but
Yeah.
that just getting out there and doing those old school things are
Mm-hmm.
valuable. They're really
Yeah.
valuable right now. And so there's opportunity there. One thing that came to mind was a couple weeks ago. It feels like a year ago, but it was probably
Mm-hmm.
like 5 days ago.
Mm-hmm.
Someone shared with me a flyer or a postcard that was circling around on social media. And basically it said, hey, I live here
Mm-hmm.
and I am available to run errands for you. If something's broken and you need a
Yeah.
handyman or, whatever you need, if you want to call and just chat, here's
Mm-hmm.
my number. And they basically just
Mm.
went to their neighborhood and passed out these postcards. And I
Love
thought that's
it.
brilliant because a lot of,
Yes.
we are supposed to be staying home, but how can
Mm-hmm.
we be in community? And I think that really that's kind of the answer. Looking at how
Mm-hmm.
you can serve other people and what the needs are is going to show you
Mm.
where opportunities are to make money even right now or for
Love
yesterday.
it.
So
Just thought of something. You said you had a bunch of stuff that's getting ready to be donated. What if, and I know you might want to get a tax credit for this, but if you had a neighbor that posted, let's say on Facebook saying, you know what, guys, I'll be honest, I'm struggling right now. I just lost my job. I'm willing to pick up stuff because there's a lot of people out doing spring cleaning right now in their house and they're trying to get rid of things. And maybe they'd rather have goodwill, and that's nothing wrong with that, or donate it to a worthy cause.
Right.
But I bet there'd be a lot of people that would be glad to have a neighbor who's struggling, even somebody they don't know, come and pick up that stuff. You just put it on your porch.
Yep.
And you don't have to have contact with them. You don't have to even talk to them other than online, and have that person who's needing income come pick it up and sell it online. You could sell it on
Right.
eBay. I know people right now are killing it on eBay in
Yeah.
our Legends group. And so guys, there is you said it perfectly, is that where's the needs? There's a lot of people that are home and not doing anything. And I've seen posts on Instagram where they're rearranging their house and getting rid of old stuff. Well, what are they going to do with that? And just I know a lot of people would be happy to have you come and take that, even if you said, hey, I'll give you money for it. You pay $50 for something that's worth $500 and you go flip it. You could flip it on eBay. There's a site called Mercari, Mercari. Of course, there's Facebook Marketplace.
Mhm.
Guys, you could buy off of Facebook Marketplace, flip it back onto Facebook Marketplace. There is opportunity. Hey, Ryan Rieger here. If you're looking for proven real strategies for making money online, then grab my book, Streams of Income. In it, I detail the 3 main ways to make money online. And these are strategies that students of mine all over the world are using to make real money. And the best part is these are strategies that you can get started with $0 and 0 experience. So if you'd like a free copy of my book, Streams of Income, check out the link in the description below.